Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this creamy, delicious cornmeal porridge. Alright, so cornmeal porridge. There are so many ways that you can make this. This is a simple, easy go-to recipe that I use most of the time. So starting off with the cornmeal. You always want to use refined cornmeal because it's easy to cook and it takes way less time. Here I have my spices. I use both the cinnamon stick and the powder. Sometimes I use the dried cinnamon leaf instead of the stick, so you can use that as well. Here I have my nutmeg. I prefer fresh. The flavor is way better. If you can't find it wherever you live, you can use whatever you have available. And here I have my salt. I have my water here, and here I have my milk. My preference is plant-based. I'm using almond and coconut. This is actually homemade coconut milk that I just made fresh. I will be doing a video on this shortly, so you can look out for that. Of course, you can use store-bought as well. And feel free to use any milk that you like, as long as the ratio of liquid that I'm using to cornmeal is the same. Your porridge should turn out fine. And here I have my vanilla extract, rose water, and almond essence. And we use this sparingly because we don't want it to overpower our porridge. I have some sugar here to sweeten. Some people use both condensed milk and sugar, but I usually just stick to sugar. I don't like my porridge to be too sweet, so sweeten according to your taste. So I have my pot here on medium heat, and I'm going to pour in about half of my water. And then I'm going to drop in my cinnamon stick and add my salt. And then I'm going to cover this and allow it to come to a boil and simmer for about a minute. The aim is to extract some flavor from that cinnamon stick before I add my cornmeal. So now that that is simmering for a bit, I'm going to take some of my water and loosen up my cornmeal. Cornmeal is one of those things that lumps very easily, so never add cornmeal straight to your hot water because you'll end up with lumpy porridge, and nobody wants lumpy porridge. And start whisking as soon as you pour in your cornmeal. Like I said before, you don't want any lumps. And you can use a wooden spoon if you like. I just prefer to use a whisk. It's way easier. And I'm going to start spicing up my porridge. So in goes the rest of my cinnamon, my vanilla. And the tip is to turn down your stove to low while you add the rest of your ingredients. Almond essence and rose water. And I'm going to pour in my milk. And I almost forgot my nutmeg. And I'm going to cover this and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Alright guys, so my porridge has been boiling for a few minutes, and you want to make sure that you stir your porridge consistently or often. I can't stress enough the importance of preventing any lumps, and you don't want your flame too high. I keep mine on medium-low. Alright guys, so my porridge has been boiling for 10 minutes. And you can boil it with the lid off. As long as it's not splattering too much, you can keep the lid off. Try avoid getting burnt. That's one of the things you don't want, guys. Trust me, to get burnt by cornmeal porridge. Or burnt any at all. And I usually boil my porridge for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar. And then give that a couple more minutes. So our porridge is done, and just look how smooth that is. No lumps.
And there you have it, rich, delicious, easy and vegan friendly cornmeal porridge. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, and join the movement to the first 1,000 subscribers. Remember to hit the bell icon so you will know whenever I upload every Wednesday. Special welcome to all my new subscribers, and to all my oldies but goodies. I appreciate you all as well. Tag and follow me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give this or any of my other recipes a try. All my other socials are also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.